Today's road trip brings us to Destiny, USA, and honestly, I have bad hand-eye coordination.
Yeah, and I have like virtually no depth perception.
So you can obviously know our reaction when some of our friends asked us to go axe throwing at the mall. What's the worst thing that could happen?
I'm dressed like a lumberjack, I'll be alright. Like bowling and a holiday and an arcade. Are we doing the least fun thing at Apex Entertainment right now?
Look at this, we could win the Snuggle Bear.
He's like the hugest snuggle bear.
So we signed our waivers and everything. It seems a little scary because I don't think anyone so far has actually gotten to stick in the wood. And
I'm gonna go. You want to record me?
You did well, and I'm not going to laugh at you because I'm going to do worse.
That was pretty close.
Yeah, no, I'll never chop that tree down. I don't know the proper technique, just for the darn thing like bouncing. It's supposed to bounce like that? Oh wow, they got a bullseye over there. Holy Toledo.
That's the goal.
That's totally the goal. Keep following.
You can do it. Oh, honey, that was really close.
Good job. Yeah, that was really good. Whoa, I got that on camera. I can't get it out of the wall. Oh, I didn't get that. What did you just do? Good shot. You did it again. Oh, whoa. He just got that underhanded. She's getting them left and right. Since we're here, I thought we'd take a look at this menu for Apex Entertainment, which looks like they have a pretty good offering here. Starters, appetizers. Supposedly they have the biggest biggest pretzel in the area. Loaded tots, quesadillas, fried pickles.
Ooh.
Some big hot dogs, pizza, salads, burgers. Looks like they have a Beyond Burger here too. Double burger, chicken bacon ranch burger. Some sides down there. And they have kids' meals and some desserts here too, so you can desserts while you're throwing axes. And they do have a full bar over here. Pretty decent service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Gave me a new fork.
Yeah, drink menu here too. Some signature cocktails. Roxbury, looks like it has a rock candy stick in there. Urban Berry Crush. Blackberry Smash. vodka lemonade, some more tequila bucket, some drafts, all their beer stuff. It looks like they have a beer tower, 128 ounces of any draft beer. It doesn't give a price though. I imagine it depends on what you get and some wine. I feel like at the orchard we went to, we should have tried axe throwing.
Yeah, like the Velcro.
Yeah, oh, was it Velcro? Yeah.
When we were signing the waiver, like, maybe you could do like a no waiver Velcro one.
Yeah.
It's less future. I mean, we still have all of our lands.
Yeah.
But I think possibly because all the other people are really good at this.
You did a couple that were like
Yeah, it was the lumberjack song. It's the Monty Python, it made me strong. Bender, bender, I was shining out early, just
Hey, it's hot. True.
Oh, I got these lessons. All right. We need lessons. We're going over here.
Good job. I have my 2 arms left, and I'm happy.
all the digits.
Yep, there's not an axe in my back.
No, it was actually pretty fun.
Yeah.
I'm so bad at sports, so I was like, yeah, we'll go so that we can hang out with the people who like asked us to go. But I actually had a good time.
Yeah.
And I hit it in like so many times.
A lot, quite a bit.
Yeah.
And I kind of gave up halfway through. The beer was good. I only had one, but instead of throwing axes.
Yeah, just like genuinely like good for your confidence levels.
Yeah.
Or at least so you don't carry more.
Yeah, so it was fun.
Yeah,
Good
eat
time.
it, high school gym teachers.
We'll have to come back and do that again, or go to their arcade, which was
they've got
pretty awesome.
A bunch of stuff there, bowling and some sort of holodeck.
Yeah, bumper cars, laser tag,
Yeah.
a whole bunch of other stuff. We'll leave the Apex Entertainment link in the description box down below. And if you like this video, hit like and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more fun stuff.
If you want to see more of us risking our lives.
Yes. Next is bungee jumping with axes. Bye.
That's fun.
True. True. True.
Oh, damn!
Good.
Yeah.
So what did you think? I still have all 4 arms and, oh wait. So what did you think? I have